birthday if it's her birthday?
What'd you get?
Nothing.
Welcome to your new home. Wait, can I drive you around?
Advent calendar time.
What day is it today?
Today is the 4th. It's Grandma's birthday. She's in heaven.
I thought we had to celebrate her birthday if it's her birthday.
What'd you get?
Nothing.
What? What is it supposed to be? Don't look. I'm gonna open this up and see if maybe it just fell. We got it going.
It fell open.
Alright. We got some cool hair clips. That'll help keep your hair out of your eyes. Next over here we got Starlina. And she's going in for day number 4.
I don't know how to do that.
How does it feel?
I don't know.
Oh wow.
I got one.
Turn it off, Journey. Wow, lotion.
That smells
Do you want to try them?
Here.
Thank you.
What day is this? It's still got something. Day number 6.
So, do you want to try? You want to try another?
We gotta worry when we get to day number 7.
We don't have to work. We have to find day number 7 tomorrow.
No, we got day number 5. Tomorrow's Steven's birthday. Okay, coffee, Starlin. Do the coffee one. Journey, get your Peppa Pig one.
You want to open this one?
Can we do our Peppa Pig one?
Hold on, let me open the coffee advent calendar.
No, that's supposed to be at the end.
They don't go in any order, ma'am. Okay, you ready? Toasted marshmallow. So we got some toasted
How do you make
marshmallow.
gingerbread cookies?
With ginger, bread. You take some ginger and then bread and you just mix it together.
Can we make one?
I'm just kidding, that's not the gingerbread.
Is this it?
Yeah.
A real life gingerbread cookie.
What did we get?
What the?
Tattoos?
Stickers.
Stickers or tattoos? Just some stickers. What a ripoff.
I love them.
Oh, you love them. Okay, let's see what chocolate we got. Mmm, chocolate.
Wow.
Burgers. Don't do that, you'll rip your mustache off.
Stuck to it.
You rip your lip skins off. How is this one? Why is it so hard? I'm gonna get another chocolate one. I think. I think I'm gonna get another chocolate advent calendar. 'Cause
Put it on the
this
back
sharing
of the tablet.
3 ways is for the dogs.
We need to. Me and Journey, we just need to get those like
Those
$2
dollar ones. That's a dog.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
my favorite! I think I should get today's.
Yes, you can get today's.
Let's see what tomorrow's look like. If tomorrow's a big one, I might want tomorrow's. Just kidding.
That went right straight in her real eyeball.
I want to read the download one. Or the Tinker one. Or this one.
Let's figure out which one we want to.
Because you have to read that one today.
Read this. Read this.
What book did you get? This is called Turning Red.
No, this is called Red Panda.
Well, it's called Turning Red. Milin, or May, made sure to work as hard as possible in everything she did, so as to make her mother, Ming, and father, Jin, proud. This was because the most important rule in May's family was to honor your parents, and from a young age, May had let this guide her, but May also loved hanging out with her best friend. So I made bean soup for dinner.
Mom!
There it is. That's Evan's leftovers.
There's
I made a glitter ribbon trim. I have to hot glue my ends together. I had to find a box. And I've been working all day on orders. Not complaining. Not complaining. But I was just trying to get... I'm trying not to fall behind. And I'm not behind. Everything's going out like, you know, within... even before their ship dates, but since I had a lot of orders come in at one time, especially, okay, so this weekend, I have gotten, okay, yesterday, we'll just take yesterday for instance, 25 orders yesterday in one day. That is the most orders I have ever got in a day in my entire time. I think that before that, the most was 23, and that was not last Christmas, but the Christmas before. So in 2021, I think, you know, was when I had the 23 in one day. It was actually 26, but I had to refund somebody today because they accidentally ordered. They accidentally, you know, placed the order, put in all the information, even put a note. I just don't understand how they, I mean, you know, I have no issues. I'll, you know, go ahead and cancel your order if you ask me to cancel your order, but you don't have to be like, I accidentally ordered. Let's say you ordered and you changed your mind. You ordered last night and you're like, oh, maybe I don't want to do that. And you change your mind and you can be like, oh, can I cancel this order? I changed my mind. Sure. But I'm like, how do you accidentally order? Anyway. So I've been embroidering out some towels and making the ribbon trim. I figured these towels were easy. An easy thing for me to embroider out while I was making the ribbon trim, because I don't have to lay any fabric down or anything. So I got them all. I actually need to make one more, and it's here, but I need to see if I can get, okay, I might just keep this one for myself. There's a spot somewhere on this towel, and in addition to a spot, I don't even know where it was now. I know I saw it. Maybe it was up there. It was like right there. It like goes through. I almost think it's like woven into it. Let's see if we can get it to show up. Yeah, it'll show up. Yeah, so it's like, I think it might be woven into it, and although that's not like, you know, huge, like, you know what I mean, it's not like a huge thing, but there is also a hole where the tag was, and it is there. Let's see if we can get it up. Yeah. Oh, right there. I think you guys can see it, yeah. Which, honestly, by washing it, it'll probably just, you know, the fibers as well will probably disappear. And, yeah. So I'm not that, I mean, I might use it as a sample, use it for myself. I don't know. But I just don't want to embroider it for an actual order and, you know, them not be happy with it. But I don't think I have any more of those towels. Put you right here. You're in the closet. I also wanted to put this design on one of these tea towels, because I have it in my shop, but I didn't put it on a tea towel yet. Oh, that's not it. I was like, maybe there's a brown one there. I've got black. Is that embroidered? Nope. I also need to, I need to decide on, because it is the 4th, so it's Grandma's birthday. I don't have another one. I'll just have to buy some tomorrow. So what I was saying is I also have to get some cards, like Christmas cards. I have some, and I know I probably bought some, but I don't know what I did with them. I had this, which was upstairs in my thing, but I don't like these ones. They're like, there's some Star Wars-y ones. For the last time, I get you put the Death Star on top of the tree. Merry Sithmas. Yeah. I can't tell you what these are from, a long time ago. And so is also the little piggy with "'Tis the Season." Time to ham it up for the holidays. You know, Sterling was in the, well, she still is, into giraffing pigs, and so the pig one was cute. So these are like, you know, just like over the course of, I don't know how long. But I want to get some new ones. I know I got some. I want to say I bought some with red trucks on them and glittery. But did I use them all? Maybe I used them all last year. I don't really recall. I had a, oh, there's from my holder. I had some with a like barn, and they were glittery. These are so pretty. I think those are the ones I did last year. But I want to say I bought some like after Christmas on clearance that were like, so there's nothing in here I want to use. So I want to get some Christmas cards. I also have some gifts I want to send out. And I think what I'm going to do, because we are just, where are we? We're on December 4th. So I haven't checked the P.O. box in, I don't know, a few. I don't remember the last time I checked the P.O. box. Whenever I got the card from Sue. So I am going to check it again, and we'll do it on December 7th. That way it's a week. On December 7th, I'm going to draw. We did this like, I don't know, 2-3 years ago. We will draw from the cards that we got and give like a gift card away. I think that's, I thought about, you know, doing like giving away some of my samples, like the aprons, the towels, whatever. But, you know, I think a gift card will be nice. I think what we'll probably do, like, I don't know, probably, I might just go, because I know I got a lot of people that watch for the embroidery stuff. I got people that watch for the homeschool stuff. I got people that watch just because they like to watch. You know, I think that if I just did like craft, like I think if I just did like Joann's or Hobby Lobby gift cards, it wouldn't, like, you know, pertain to everybody. But if I did like Walmart, although there's some anti-Walmarters out there, but you know, if you get a Walmart gift card and you don't like it, give it away. Or, you know, or maybe I'll do like a $25. See, that's hard to do too. I was gonna say like to Texas Roadhouse or somewhere like that, because if you live in a town that doesn't have it, you know, like Starbucks, or, you know what I mean? Not everybody has a Starbucks, not everybody has a Dunkin', not everybody, where my parents live, there's no Dunkin'. Sorry about the angle, I got this on here. So, I'll just have to come up with something. We got a couple days, and yeah, so far we only got one card though. So actually, I will consider Sam in the drawing as well, even though she said she couldn't find our Christmas cards, but
thanks for watching. Hey, tomorrow. Bye, guys.